idea behind this MA curriculum was to engage students from the remotest parts of Maharashtra. We here are trying to equip them with skills which will not only help them to make a living, but will also equip them with skills to actually live different aspects of their life. So basically our basic idea is to move from a basic social science to a more applied version of social science.
We organize number of programs. The programs are very popular. Programs like Niti Kushal, Mock Parliament, such programs they are conducted by students at their own. Along with these programs, we organize study tours. Study tour is one of the important features of the department. We have organized study tour to Akluz Gram Panchayat, Hiwre Bazar Gram Panchayat, as well as Maharashtra Legislative Assembly and also Parliament in New Delhi.
देश के विभिन्न राज्यों से भी और देश के बाहर से अफगानिस्तान, लाओस, ईरान वहाँ से भी छात्र लोग यहाँ पढ़ने के लिए आते हैं। हमें देश का सबसे बेहतरीन डिपार्टमेंट बनना है।
डिपार्टमेंट का मतलब क्या है? डिपार्टमेंट का विद्यार्थी, डिपार्टमेंट का मौका मिलने के अलग अलग देशों से, अलग अलग राज्य से विद्यार्थी आता है, ये बड़ा भाग्य है।
Students of this college are very humble and kind enough, and they are ready to help always and every time whenever we need.
So I would also like to thank all the professors, Vijay Kaka, and especially our respected HOD sir.
मेरे लिए पॉलिटिकल साइंस डिपार्टमेंट मतलब एनर्जी, इनोवेशन एंड स्टडीज़। यहाँ से हमें कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशंस के लिए भी बहुत सारी सहायता मिलती है।
Leaders are not always born, but they can be created, and political science department is working on these lines. So political science department is here for national integration and nation building.
It gives me great pleasure to talk about the students of my department who have been exceptional in their academic abilities, and more so because of the social orientation that my students have shown towards me. I always believe that teaching in this department has been a learning experience for me as a teacher. My students have done academically extremely well. They have proved themselves at the international level, at the national level, and in Maharashtra also.
I am from the Department of Political Science and I am proud of it.
I am from the Department of Political Science and I am proud of it.
I am from the Department of Political Science and I am proud of it.
I am from the Department of Political Science and I am proud of it.
I am from the Department of Political Science and I am proud of it.
I am from the Department of Political Science and I am proud of it.
We are from the Department of Political Science
and we are proud of it.